Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this short and basic video, we will learn how to disable animation effects in Windows 11 setting. So guys, if you want to disable and turn off animation to make your PC fast, so just follow some easy steps. In few steps you can disable animation effects. So first click on Start, Settings, Accessibility, Visual Effects. And now here it is setting Animation Effects. You want to turn off and disable, select the setting to off. That's it. So now you can enable by selecting to on, you can disable by selecting to off. So this is the way guys you can disable animation effects in Windows 11 settings. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.